Hi, this is a short demo of an integrated learning environment for teaching R that I've been putting together over the last several months. So the basic idea is to be able to author a lesson using R Markdown, which essentially is a combination of Markdown and code chunks that are executed using knitr. Be able to embed interactive components of learning like simulations, an interactive console, interactive quizzes, pretty much anything that the student can interact with. Be able to record the lesson as a screencast, sync the screencast with the slides, and finally be able to publish it online. Now, just to illustrate the basic idea, I'm going to give you a 2-slide lesson on how to use ggplot2 and Google Viz. Note that the video that is playing is automatically synced to the slides. And in fact, there is a two-way sync, so the lesson will automatically advance and you just need to sit back and relax. So let me start the first mini lesson with a very simple scatter plot being created using ggplot2, which undoubtedly is the finest plotting package across multiple languages. So we're going to use the dataset empty cars that ships along with R, and we're going to create a scatter plot of mileage versus weight. So if you look at the code on your screen, you'll notice that there are 2 lines of code. The first line, we're loading ggplot2 using a require call. And in the second line, we're using the quick plot function and passing it the arguments weight, the x variable, miles per gallon, mpg, the y variable, and empty cars, the name of the dataset. Let me now go ahead and execute this piece of code to see what kind of a scatter plot it's able to produce. There you go. So here is a nice scatter plot of mpg versus weight, which clearly tells us that there is a very strong negative linear relationship between the 2 variables, as one would expect. Now, what if you wanted to explore this relationship a little further? So let's suppose you want to understand how miles per gallon and weight interact, especially when the cars have different number of cylinders. So one way to do this is to enhance the scatter plot by introducing the number of cylinders as a variable and letting it color code the points on the scatter plot. Now, ggplot2 makes it really easy to do this kind of a thing. So all that you need to do is to add color as an argument to your quick plot line and essentially set it equal to the variable cylinder. Now I'm gonna let you do this so that you can see for yourself. If you need a hint, you need to press the bookmark function right here. I'm going to be pausing the video right now so that you have some time and you can resume the video at the end of this. So here's what we need to do. So we need to add the variable color and set it to the number of cylinders. And when I press run code, you now see that you get a nice scatter plot of miles per gallon versus weight, and the points have been colored based on the number of cylinders.